Hello, welcome. Let me show you how to get to our exemplars. The exemplars were created in the Tempus EcoStar project, so you could either use the materials as they appear in your courses or use them as models to create activities based on your own materials for your own classes. So, go to Google and there, write Tempus EcoStar. And the first link that you see will take you to our website. Here is the website, and either click here on the EcoStar resource bank or just scroll down to the classroom activity exemplars. Click on that, and here you are. On this page, you will see the different levels that we created activities for. Let's take a look at the first one, the A2 BCC elementary level. As you can see here, you have a list of different activities that are related to reading. We have other tabs here as well with activities focusing different skills. Sometimes the activities appear twice, since an activity can have both a reading and a speaking component. Another important thing we have here is the suggested sequence. When you click on that, you get to a RUGEM. In the RUGEM, you will see all the different activities we have listed in the website, but in an organized, orderly manner, so you can see the sequence that we suggest you use the activities in. For example, the first one, it's a listening activity called fast food. And here you see the teacher instructions and directives, all these green things. For example, the title of this activity, which is how often do you eat fast food and why? And you see the level and that it's a listening activity, the specific goals we believe this activity has, what you need to do the activity in class, how long we believe the activity will take, and here all the instructions you need to follow in order to maximize the use of the activity. When you scroll down more, you will see the activity itself. Here you have can-dos based on the framework that again correspond to what students will be able to do when they finish the activity. So here you have the activity. This is what you will see on the website. So when you click on this link, you'll get to a listening activity in which you hear different people talking about how often they eat fast food and why. So the first activity asks students to only listen to each one and understand how often these people eat fast food. When they finish that, they go to the link again and now listen to the reasons why people eat fast food, and here you have the same people again. So the first time they listen for a specific topic and content, and the second time they listen for something else. By this time, they will know a lot about what these people like and why. If you like to extend this activity into a more grammatical type of activity, you can go to these different links that talk about frequency markers and teach about that as well. And then people can write, about their own use. So here you see the beginning activity to introduce people to the idea of preferences in food and reasons why people have these preferences. So let's go back into our site, and you can see that that activity could be found in the listening tab. How often do you eat fast food and why? So there's two ways to get to it, again, from the suggested sequence or through the individual activities themselves. So if you teach the A2 level, this is a very good place to start. Here we have not only a wealth of activities and different skills, but also using different technologies that again you can adapt and learn to implement in your own courses for your own materials. Have fun!